Hey folks, welcome back to another video of the Flutter Development course brought to you by Newton School. My name is Harsh and I am currently working as a Flutter developer at Hope, and I have worked as an intern at Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. I have also been a Flutter developer intern at a firm named AppScript, and apart from that I have also been teaching Flutter, and I have more than 40,000 plus enrollments on my Flutter development courses available on Udemy and Eduonics, so you can check them out as well. Talking about what Newton School is, so basically Newton School is a platform that helps you to learn and develop the skills that you need for your best tech career. They have courses specifically designed for freshers, working professionals and for women with no prior experience in tech. Newton School first trains you for 6 months and helps you become a full stack developer. They have tie-up with more than 300 plus great companies who hire directly from Newton School. So once your training is complete, Newton School also ensures that you are placed with one of the best companies in the country. And apart from that, they are also having a pay after placement program where you don't have to pay anything to Newton School until and unless you are placed with a minimum CTC of 5 lakh rupees per annum. And that is a pretty amazing thing which they are having. They have also another amazing initiative known as Launchpad, where they are providing you with some of the courses for free of cost, and you will also be getting a certificate of completion after completing those courses. So make sure to check them out as well. So talking about what would be covered in this video. So in this video we are going to work on the main screen for our login UI project which we have started in the previous video. So if you haven't checked that out, then make sure to check that out as well before continuing with this video. And in this video we'll be continuing from where we left previously, and we'll be working on the main screen and completing it. So yeah, let me switch my screen and let's start working on the same. So herein you can see that I have switched my screen and have opened the project which we were working on in the previous video. So in the previous video I have shown you the implementation of the sign up thing, and we have created the slide right route as well, where in the things will be sliding from the right side of the screen as soon as you will be clicking on the sign up option, which we have added the implementation for as well. We are yet to create the sign up screen, so we'll be starting from where we left in the previous video, and we'll be continuing the things over here. So yeah, let's jump directly to the code. So at first the thing which I'll be doing is after the padding widget which I have added yesterday, I'll be creating another widget over here which will be of a type text, and this text widget would be saying don't worry, just sign up to gain access to the app. So I'll be adding that text over here, and after that in this text only I'll be adding some styles. So the styles are the common one which we were using from the previous videos, so I'll be adding them over here as well. So the generic styles for font size, the color, the font weight, so I've added all those styles over here. Next up, inside this text widget only, after the styles and the text which I have added, I'll be adding the text align as well to align the text in a certain format. So I'll be adding a text align and it will be aligning the text towards the right part of the widget or towards the right part of the parent things which we are having. And after this gesture detector which we have added for triggering or for making the screen slide towards the right part through the slide right route, I'll be coming out and I'll be adding a spacer over here. And next up I'll be adding another gesture detector with the same behavior which we have added earlier. That's the hit test behavior dot opaque, and I have already explained you why we are using this type of behavior. So if you don't know why we have implemented this type of behavior, then make sure to check out the previous video. I have already explained the things over there. And after that adding an on tap which will be used for pushing the screen, the sign in screen over here with the help of the slide left route, and it will be taking a page that would be of type login page. So it will be doing that thing over here, and we need to create the slide left route, and we'll also need to create the login page which we'll be creating in this video only. So for adding those things, what we can do is we can first create a new file of name login page .dart, and herein importing the material.dart package, creating a stateful widget of name login page, and after that another file with the name of slide left route .dart file, and herein we'll be importing the material.dart again, and we'll be creating a class of the similar name which we have already created for slide right route, or maybe we can directly just copy the slide right route and paste it over here. Just change the name of slide right route to slide left route by selecting and pressing F2, so that each of the occurrence of slide right route is selected and we can directly change the things all at once. So I have done that over here. Next up, we need to change the position and the animation. So for the position, the begin position would be 1 0 and the end position would be remaining same. For the animation, I don't think I need to change it because the animation would be similar, like sliding only. So that's why keeping the animation as similar. And now we are having the errors inside the login sign up page.dart file. So going there and importing both of these, as we have created both of these, and removing the to dos from here, saving it so that the reload could take place. And after that, inside this gesture detector only, adding a child which will be of a type container, taking the entire height of the screen with the help of media query, and the width would also be like occupied by the entire width of the screen. I guess we need to add some things for width and the height. We need to check once if the width and height that should be like occupied by this is enough, because for the first part of gesture detector, the first gesture detector I am talking about, which we have added, therein we have specified or we have multiplied the height and width with 0.55 and 0.45. So maybe we have to do that, but we'll be doing that if it's necessary in the later part. And another thing for the container I'll be adding over here is a decoration which takes a box decoration, and this box decoration takes a color, border radius. So for the border radius, it will be having the circular radius or circular border from the top left and bottom left. So herein we'll be specifying that from only two sides as we did for the previous gesture detector. And yeah, I have added these. Next up, inside this container we need to add a child for it. So the child would be of type padding, and this padding, for the padding, it will be taking left padding as 22 and right padding as 22 as well. And for the child of this padding, we'll be having a column which takes cross axis alignment as start. So the cross axis alignment would be starting, and after that adding some children inside this column. So for the first children, it will be having a padding. So the padding would be of value 8 from the bottom of the screen. And next up, this padding will also be having a children which says a text, which will be of a type text, and it says sign in and with some styles. So let me add the styles as well. And after this padding, adding another text widget which says returning question mark, and it also has some styles attached to it. And enclosing this text widget inside padding so that we can provide a padding of 8 from top and bottom, and it occupies the available space efficiently. And after this padding, again adding a text which says just sign in to resume what you were doing, and this will again be having some text styles and some text alignment as well. So the alignment will be now from left side, and the styles would be from Google Fonts only, as we are adding for each text which we are implementing. And enclosing this text as well inside a padding of top value 8 and right value 10. And after this row which we have added earlier, so we'll be coming out of the text, the padding, column, gesture detector, and the row as well. And after this row, adding another widget again, or another row again. So this row will be taking children's, but before that, main axis alignment, which will be equal to main axis alignment dot center. And after that, I guess I need to enclose it inside padding as well. So I'll be adding the top padding of value at 18 for this row. And for the children's of this row, again we'll be having some paddings which will be of type edge insides dot only. And for the padding, I'll be specifying this time it as of 6 from right side. And for the child of this padding, I'll be adding a container of height and width as 48 each, and the decoration as box decoration, which will be taking some properties. So adding them over here. and by mistake I have added the color inside box shadow, so I need to enclose the color inside the box shadow rather than enclosing the color directly inside the box shadow list, adding some commas so that formatting could take place. And next up, adding the shape for this container to be of a kind circle, and we'll be having a child as well for this particular container, which will be of a type FA icon, so font awesome icons basically, and it will be enclosed inside a center. For the icon it will be of a type Google, and for the color it would be of a color white. I need to add the font awesome Flutter package to like enable the font awesome packages to be font awesome icons to be used inside this app. So I've added those over here, and I need to import them once the flutter pub get command is successful, and I'm importing those. And restarting the app, you can see over here that now we are displayed with the hello text, which was the top level widget. Next up, we are having a sign up element or sign up widget, which is on the left side of the screen, which will be like triggering the slides toward the right. So when you'll be clicking on the sign up, it will be sliding the screen from left to right. That's the right transition. And on the other part, we have the sign in widget. It will be transferring or showing you the animation from the right part of the screen towards the left part of the screen. That's why the name is sliding left route, and I have added that as well. And apart from that, we have three elements which are appearing on the bottom of the screen. One is for the Google login, one is for Twitter login, and one is for Facebook login. Although we won't be implementing the backend part of it, but these are only for the showcase purpose, just to match up the UI, how the UI is looking originally. So for that I have added these as well over here. And yeah, this was pretty much it for this video, where I have shown you the implementation of remaining part of this screen. That's the sign in widget part and the logos which are appearing for the social sign in on the bottom. So I have shown you those as well inside this video. And yeah, this was pretty much it for this video. Hope you got to learn something new from this video. If you did, then make sure to drop a like, comment down your views and what you would love to see in the upcoming videos. Share this video with the people in your community so that they can also start with Flutter development. Subscribe to the channel to get all the latest updates related to the Flutter development course going on. A new video is posted every alternate day, so make sure to subscribe to the channel as well. And make sure to check out Newton School and Launchpad through the link given in the description. So they are doing amazing work. Make sure to check them out as well. And yeah, this was pretty much it for this video. I'll be seeing you in the next one.